Before we get into the video, I just want to say that we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for you guys who are subscribing, and for you to be part of it. Make sure you subscribe and share our videos with your friends and family, and then on top of that, tell them about the giveaway so they be able to join in. And I think that's all. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video too, and let's get into it. So let's start with CodeCombat. Last time when we were playing this, we had a rough time on the 7th level. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're on the 7th level and it was a prisoner. We're having a hard time actually trying to take this ogre out, okay? Now, we have a full-on sword. We have all the capabilities to take a guard out, but he's just not dying, okay? So we're going to try this again, and we're going to see if we can actually do it this time. See, look, this is my code from last time, and he still didn't die. So we're going to do this again. All right, let's try this one more time and see if I can do it. No, don't move. Don't move. I don't want you to move. Okay, sit down. Sit down. All right, hero.attack. Now we type in attack because if you don't actually type it in and type in the word for the character to attack, character to attack that actual object or person, then they won't actually attack. So then after that, we gotta defeat the guard named 2. I'm glad it's not 2, y'all. Oh, okay. I stop. Okay, so this one's the hard part. All right, let's try this. Let's try this again. Hero dot move right, because we want him to get past that wall, and then we're gonna have hero move downwards. So we're gonna make him move down because we want him to actually be able to get close to the actual person. All right, so we're gonna make him move right. Oh, hold on, we gotta actually make him move right at the beginning because it's stupid. Okay, so make him move right there. So he's gonna move right to the door. He's gonna attack the door. Then he's gonna move right again. Wait, he gotta move right 3 times. No, he's gonna move right 3 times. He's gonna move down 4 times, and then he's gonna attack. Oh, we got this. We're gonna beat him today. Look, and then we're gonna type in hero.attack. Right. So he can actually attack 2, and then we're gonna put 2 in the quotations. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm messing up my words because I'm excited because we're about to actually beat this. All right, so this is a big dude, so we got to put in a lot of attacks. Actually, I'm not going to type it in. I'm just going to copy and paste because I do not feel like it. All right, copy, and then we're going to paste it one more time because I think his health is like 100, probably like 150, and I don't have that much health, so I gotta protect the human and myself, and I'm a human too, so I can't do it. All right, I think that's enough. Attacks. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, we run it. Ooh, never mind. Hold on. Okay, you gotta always have the first letter of what your hero's gonna do actually capitalized. All right, now let's go. So he. Okay. I didn't actually type in door. All right, so we're gonna actually do that one more time. Oh my gosh. Okay, hero.attack should be hero.attack. What? Look for calculations. Hero.attack should be hero.attack. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna put it like that and then run it again. All right, so he knocks down the door. Now he gotta actually get past the guard and then be able to hit him. See, look how fast the guard's running. Look how fast he's running. Oh, my person taking him out. Oh, let's go. See, I didn't know there was a human that actually shoot. Oh my gosh. We actually beat it. Let's go. See, before in the other video, he wasn't even doing nothing. The human wasn't even shooting his arrows. Now look at him. He's Red Robin. He's Robin Hood, bro. He literally got in little arrows. Boy, oh my gosh, this took forever. Okay. Now we gotta do the second level, and the second level is fire dancing. We're gonna jump around hot lava. We're gonna hit the moonwalk on you. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Okay. So dodge the fireballs under 4 statements. So you gotta do 4 statements, and then under the, oh my gosh, this is a lot. We got true statements in, I think, if statement. No, it's just while true. Okay, so okay, this is confusing. This is confusing as crap. Okay, this is super confusing. So we dodge the fireballs. We dodged the fireballs, and then we had to get that stuff up there, and then we had to get that metal right there. I can't jump that high. Dang. All right. So hero dot move. Let's run it and see what happens. All right. So he dodged it. Ooh, never mind. So he runs to the right, but he. Okay. So he. Okay. This. I don't understand. So he moves to the right. He lands on this part right here, and then he dies. How do we get up there? That's the question. Okay. So let's use hints because I don't understand. I do not understand what to do. While the true function is hero.move left. While true, move left this. While it's true, move left. Okay, this is confusing because he's dancing on fire. Look at that. Dancing right and left, avoid fire. Okay. We're going to do how to while true loops. What is that? I'm not an expert. No. No. Okay. We're gonna try I'm so confused. I'm dead confused. I don't understand. We're gonna be doing hero. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna type in hero dot move left. We're just gonna try that out. We don't know what to do. Oh, now you want to pop up hints. Okay, now you want to pop up codes. That's cool. Look at him dance. Look at him hit that left. Now look at him hit that right. All right. So he's gonna automatically do that. Now we're gonna actually have him. Oh, I'm done. Oh, I'm good then. I'm good. We did it, guys. We did it. So that was the second one. Now the second one, or the second level that I just did, was while true function. So you don't actually have to type in a bunch of codes. It's technically just saying if true, just make the character move right. If you type in move right or attack, it's just going to keep doing that. Okay. So we got a raven. I hope that's a pet that I can use. Hero. Let's see. Actually, no. Never mind. Hold on. Let me click over here. I'm not doing practice, so you funny. You funny. Subscribers only. Subscribe to unlock. Man, bro, no. Man, if you don't get, I'm looking fire today. Okay. All right. See, this probably taking forever to load, and I had to move right up, right up, right up. Okay, that's easy. It's just like a loop. It's technically a loop, so it's gonna have him move right. What? Twice. The hero move right. Hero not move right. Oh, make him move up. Yep. Okay, I got it now. All right. We're gonna do this. We got this. I'm gonna pause you before you die. So we're gonna do hero dot move up, and then we're gonna do hero dot move up one more time. Hero dot move up, and then we are done. All right, so we're gonna run it. He goes up. Watch out for that mouse. Look at that mouse run. Trying to get that cheese. See, we got it. We did it. We are absolutely fantabulous. So I think we pretty much have this under packs. We got this under wraps. We got this. This is too easy, simple, and to the point. Easy. Okay. Now, okay. We got 30. We got 35 gems. That's all right. We're not going practice. Stop. Oh my gosh. All right, they're descending further. All right, let's play and see what this one is. And if I mess up, I'm just gonna do a jump cut. Never mind. This is a lot. Okay, this is a lot right now to type all of this in. So there should be a jump cut somewhere right about now. All right, we're back. So, all right, I thought it was gonna be a lot, but it really wasn't. I just didn't feel like messing up and actually showing y'all that I messed up. So, yeah, we're gonna keep that under wraps. Don't tell nobody. All right, so we're gonna start. We're gonna run it and see how good we did. See, success. It's already said it. We're gonna just watch him move slow because he is tired. He just had a Big Mac. He didn't feel like moving, and he made it. We're done. We're over. Okay, that's all I'm doing because honestly, it took me forever to figure out how to beat that actual ogre at the very beginning level. That took me forever to actually figure out, but I finally figured it out. So this is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and actually make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, this was hard. Later.